Hello, welcome. My name is Fleur Allen. I'm a business success coach. This is a Kajabi tutorial because I'm an affiliate partner of Kajabi, so I love sharing the love with coaches and consultants on how they can get started online. Kajabi is an online coaching platform that I use. I use every single day and I love using it, and that's why I love sharing the love. If you're wanting to try, if you want to take advantage of a free trial, just use my link in the description of this video. It is an affiliate partnership link, so if you sign up, if you join, then I will receive a small commission. But to thank you for that, then I would love to give you an onboarding free call, to video call, to walk through different aspects of Kajabi, which can be recorded so you can refer to it later. I want to show one aspect of how I use Kajabi, and that's for group coaching. And let's see what it looks like from a client point of view. This is my live website. Here I'm logged in as a client because I like to go in and see the look and feel of my business from a client point of view, and I encourage you to do the same. So my group coaching, just scroll down to coaching, is monthly events. So that's the description there. But I'm going to click through to events because the group coaching level is really an annual subscription to my monthly events. And what they look like is 3 months, we have a 90-day planning workshop. And then the months in between, we have an online success mastermind so that you remain accountable and taking action in between the 90-day planning workshops, because that's the whole point, not only just planning, but moving you into action. So that's supporting you to achieve great things, and our clients are achieving amazing things. As Bella has shared here, such a great workshop. Gabrielle has got a wonderful, Christy is also there, Julie's attended them as well, Vera and has as well, and Gabrielle's as well. They're getting a huge amount of value out of these, but I'm not here to sell my course. Sorry, got distracted, got excited. That's what it looks like from the client point of view. From a coaching point of view, let's just go here. This is the back end for coaching in Kajabi. And I'll just click into programs here. My screen is still sharing. So this is the coaching. So my group coaching, I run through these events. So because my group coaching is also events, in that, what I mean by that is my coaching clients just get automatic access every month to the events. But if you're wanting to just try it out, then you can book a ticket, a once-off ticket to attend. So that's why I have a mix of paid clients and also single ticket clients. So I have to run this a little bit differently. But therefore, I split the group coaching into 2 different types of workshops, which is one, the 90-day planning workshop, and also the online mastermind. So that's why there's 2 different listings here. But this is the one that is about to happen next week. So we'll just click in there. And this is just what it looks like from the back end. So this is just for one event. And you click in here. And this is just showing you from the coaching online point of view. So that's all there that I'm going to run next week. This is just to give you a little bit of a look and feel of what's possible. I run all my group coaching through Kajabi. I believe you can run webinars, but I'm not going to talk about that because I haven't experienced that yet. But once I get my head around that, I will do a video on that as well. But I just wanted to show you what's possible using Kajabi, and I use this for one-to-one coaching, my group coaching, all my online events, and my free inquiry type calls, my introductory free calls. So if you've got any questions, please ask Fleur. That's what I'm here for. And if you're wanting to use Kajabi, please go use my link, and then I can walk you through and onboard you onto Kajabi so you can get it set up and using it as fast as possible. I look forward to working with you.